Welcome to the NEMO Science Museum, a fascinating place in Amsterdam dedicated to making science accessible and exciting for all visitors. Today, we'll highlight 5 crucial tips to enhance your experience at the museum's rooftop, ensuring you make the most of this unique educational adventure. The NEMO rooftop features breathtaking panoramic views of Amsterdam, allowing visitors to see its stunning architecture and notable landmarks, including the iconic canals and bridges. Don't forget to capture these incredible sights on camera, making your visit memorable and providing fantastic photos to share with friends and family. The rooftop of the NEMO Science Museum is home to engaging interactive exhibits that make learning about science enjoyable for everyone. Visitors can participate in hands-on activities that stimulate curiosity and creativity, making it an ideal experience for families, fostering both fun and education at the same time. Before visiting the NEMO Science Museum, it's essential to verify the opening hours to plan your trip effectively. Understanding ticket prices and any available discounts, such as family packages and group rates, can help you save money and enhance your overall experience at this amazing destination. To fully enjoy the NEMO rooftop experience, visiting during off-peak hours is recommended. Early mornings or late afternoons tend to be less crowded, allowing for a more relaxed atmosphere. Choosing these times can enhance your visit, giving you ample opportunity to explore and engage with the exhibits. The NEMO rooftop offers essential amenities to enhance your visit, including comfortable rest areas where you can relax and take in the views. Snack options are also available, providing a convenient way to refuel during your exploration. These facilities ensure a pleasant and enjoyable experience for all visitors. Weather can significantly impact your visit to the NEMO rooftop, so it's crucial to check forecasts beforehand. On sunny days, don sunglasses and sunscreen, while rainy conditions may require an umbrella or raincoat. Being prepared for varying weather ensures a more enjoyable and comfortable experience during your visit. In conclusion, enhancing your experience at the NEMO rooftop includes arriving early, engaging with exhibits, and exploring the entire museum. Don't miss out on fascinating science displays inside. These tips will help you maximize your visit and ensure you have an unforgettable day at this incredible destination.